love is just a history that they may prove, and when you're gone, I'll tell them my religion's you. When punctures comes to kill the king upon his throne, I'm ready for their stones.
Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you this goth makeup look, this easy eye look. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay friends, so let's get into this makeup look. So I want to put this behind my ears because it's gonna be in my way while doing my makeup. So I got my eyebrows done, my face makeup done, you know. So I'm just showing you the eyes. And if you're wondering about my contacts, these are the Miss Lens contacts. I'll leave everything in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to my Ginger palette and I'm going into this brown. I'm just gonna put it all over the lid. Yeah, just going in with that brown, just so that my eyelid would look so not brown. So I'm going to spread it all over. I'm going in with my liquid liner. I draw a normal wing, but starting at the bottom of my waterline because I like my wing to be a little more straight. So I won't cry for you. I won't crucify the things you do. I won't cry for you. See, when you're gone, I'll still be So now I'm going to do a little inner corner liner. Okay, so now we're going to some. Now I'm going with some black eyeshadow from the same James Charles palette or any palette that you have. And this is what I have. I'm going to be taking that eyeshadow and dragging it along here and then dragging it down like this. You will see what I mean. So taking like a little brush, mine's real old, but just doing it like this. Just, you know, like that. Okay, so I use this angle brush and I just do it like this with eyeshadow. Alright, so first I'm using this flat brush and I just go down like fade out the lower lash line like this.
He can't rewrite the aggro of my fury heart. I wait on mountaintops in Paris, going to and
then I'm going in with this flat angle brush and I just go and do like
I'm gonna dance with my hands above my head, dance together, forgive him before he's dead, because I won't cry for you. I won't crucify the things you do. I won't cry for you.
So now I'm going in with my white pencil. So I have a white eyeliner. I'm going to line my waterline with the white pencil.
Dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, da 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 da. Dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, dum dum da da.
So I'm using this my black eyeliner and I'm doing it as I do a matte black lip. And I just fill in my little moles.
Things you do, do, do. I won't cry for you, see, when you're gone I'll still be very.
Okay guys, so this is the final makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Please like, comment and subscribe if you would like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Love is just a history that they may prove, and when you're gone, I'll tell them my religion's you. When punctures comes to kill the king upon his throne, I'm ready for their stones.